Very good morning to one and all. This is Trading Twilight and I am Ankita Agnihotri, and today we have Tuesday. On Tuesday we have Sensex expiry, so this may be a volatile move may be possible in both the sides because of premium adjustment, and IV is very low, so premiums are not appreciated that much. So maybe firstly they will be going to appreciate the premium, then they will be going to depreciate the premium. This would be possible. So in this way we are going to lead in both the sides, and you will be got the opportunity in both C and P and short making. Firstly it will be, I think according to my observation, it is just making a support at here, so maybe it will be going for the long side. So I'll just have a maybe position may be going to on a limit orders will be going to punch above this 630. So I will be looking for the first opportunity in the long side, which is 24,750 and 24,809. I would be going to possibly going to lock my position in the long side, and then I will be looking for the any sort of rejection or 800 or 845. I would be looking for best if it is going to reject two times or making a double top sort of, so we will be going to make a short position. Till then it is above the support, which is 24,600. I will be not looking for the short side, and maybe it will be going to give you any sort of you are making any position in the short side, and it will be suddenly going to trap you. So try to make your positions very low today, because market have we have the RBI policy which will be going to announce by tomorrow. So maybe market will be going to after this kind of premium adjustment will be going to sideways. So in the morning only, if you found a beautiful trade, so you need to just make yourself comfortable and quickly do the scalps in both the side, which is firstly I will be looking for the long side in Nifty, and then Sensex as well I am looking for a upside, and in Bank Nifty I will be going to skip in the long side because it is totally in a position where it's no liquidity in I can found in Bank Nifty. So maybe it will be going to took support from here, and again it has the potential, it can go 55,800. This would be possible, but this is not the best candidate for looking for a long. If you really want to go for a long side, so you just need to switch to Nifty and Sensex, which is having a potential more than Bank Nifty for the upside. So always keep your money on the indices which is having a guts to go on the upside and give you a momentum, which we are looking for in option trading. So momentum is in there in Nifty and Sensex. So we are choosing this Nifty and Sensex for the upside, and short side I will be looking for the Bank Nifty, especially because it is totally bearish and making a price action where it's consolidated so much at the support. So maybe if support is going to distort it, then we will found a beautiful trade in Bank Nifty in the short side. And in Nifty and Bank Nifty both are in a sync at 24,600 is would be the intraday support. So if it is going to make any sort of hammer above this where it's 630, you can make your limit orders going to punch in the long side, and once it's going to close above this, then definitely it has consolidated so much at here. So one trade we will be going to capture a momentum trade, which is very much likely to 80% probability is there, and Reliance is going to be maybe took support at here, and we have ICICI, SDFC. So we have kind of flat note consolidation and all, so not moving in upwards direction, but maybe in some time it will be going to took support, and then it will be going for the upside. So 600 is a support where you have to keep an eye on. Just don't go blindly. If it is going to give a close, then only 600 below, then only you can look for the short side. Otherwise you need to just skip this trade, or in any of the side I will be not looking. If it is going to distort and give a close up below this for a 5 minute, it has to close below this 600 below, then only you can look for the short side, which is very risky. Till then it's not reaching to the extreme resistance, I will not looking for the short side. Maybe it will be going to I will be going to not able to attend this opportunity, but I will be happy because I am looking for more a rewarding opportunity which is above the side, which is 24,800. I'm looking for from the 24,600 or 200 point down the line we can capture in this moment. So which is more having a potential in the upside. So I will be looking for that particular moment to capture in the swing. And in Sensex as well, you can look for which is having a potential. It can go till like 81 300 400 area. So 81 500 is the extreme resistance. So like above this I am not looking for in Sensex. So below 81 500 you need to look and lock your profit, which is precisely very good, and it is making a, which I told you, a hammer, good to go. Above 630 you can make your position in the long side. And this is a disclaimer, all contents are for education purpose. So if you are making any buy and sale as per my analysis, so consult to your financial advisor first. And best opportunity maybe we will be going to found in the short side once it's going to reject from any resistance. So you just need to draw the fib label. So according to the fib labels, I'll just give you certain labels. So just mark down these labels. So whenever it's going to trigger any 15-minute candle close below this label, so you can play in the short side as well. So these labels are 24 800 below. If it is going to reject these label, 24,746 is as well, but I am not looking for the short side. Till then it's not going to reject 2 times and it's making a double top sort of. And these are the 51 retracement levels. So definitely if market wants to go on the sale side, so it will be going to reject from that particular level. And in Bank Nifty, just mark on these level. If it is going to give any 15-minute candle positive and 55 425 or 55 525, so you can make a buy on dip. And in sale on rise, you need to look for 55 800, which is a selling label. So any candle going to close below this 55 800 and it will be going to reject. So at the same time Nifty is taking rejection from the particular label 24 800. So we are going to plan in the short side as well. And in Sensex the levels are 81 300 is the resistance. So if it is going to give a breakout of 200 points more, it can touch 81 500 as well. And 80,000 700, it is the support is going to be break, then definitely 30-minute candle is going to be a give up close below this level. So we can plan for the 80,300. This would be possible. So in this way you need to plan your trade accordingly. And a very important thing is there in the option trading is the value premium, where you are going to found an opportunity and you are going to buy a premium at a value price, not at any random price. You need to try like this. We have the long trade, right? So this is the value price. 630 is the value level where risk is very low, the day low, and the reward is very big, 200 points. So which is a very gonna be a good trade. So in this way you need to plan a value premiums. So premiums you need to try to find according to the value premiums. And in Sensex, this is my best advice. Wherever it's going to give you 30-minute, in a 30-minute beautiful is swing any of the sides, so you try to lock your profit, because today is the day of expiry. So maybe you are not in a wrong side, but maybe your premium is going to be depreciate. So this is the humble request, try to lock your profit today, because today is the day where RBI policy is going to be announced by tomorrow. So premium adjustment will be happen at this place. So try to lock your profit, whatever you will be getting in this trade, right? And in Bank Nifty, I already told you the levels. So this is the perfect level where Bank Nifty will be going to support, and in Nifty both are in a sync. So one move towards the upside is possible. So it can give upside above the yesterday's day high, so which is 24,800, 845. So you need to book your profit accordingly, and trailing is possible if you are like a professional one. So trail your profit, or otherwise you can book your profit according to the resistant part of your profit you can book, and then part you can trail, like 50% quantity you can remove at 24,750, which is a resistance, then trail your profit for the further targets, which is 24,800 and 24,845. So this would be a leading trade which I am already sharing with you. So according to your risk appetite you can plan your trade, and your setup is, according to me, is sync with me, so you can definitely go for this trade. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel and my Instagram handle if you're liking the video. I always used to give 1 or 2 trade on a daily basis, so that will make your day and make you profitable. Because don't go for over trading. If you are going to found, like market is going to do like something every day, and market is open for like a day, and so I have seen people, they have made profit in the morning, and they in the noon they will going to wipe out their profit. So this would be not going to happen. So you have to make sure that your risk appetite is going to be very precisely. You have to manage your risk. So thank you very much. This is Ankita Agniti signing off, guys. Keep investing, keep trading. This is a lovely day ahead and a beautiful Sensex expiry. We are going to rock. Bye bye. Love you all.